The first tutorial was a simple blinking of LED tutorial. Now we have moved on to the port interrupts by using push buttons and LEDs. I have already loaded the first project. Now when I press the push button, the LEDs simply toggles its state one by one. The push button is connected to the pin 2.0 instead of the pin 1.5. And I'm reconnecting the pin from pin 1.5 to pin 2.0. Now when the push button is pressed, the corresponding LED glows and goes off after some time. And now I'm simply pressing the push buttons one by one, and its corresponding LED glows.